So in this lesson, I'm teaching the fisheye perspective. If any of you guys have ever seen old school skating videos from the 90s, the fisheye was used all the time in those. It's when everything in the video starts to get bulbed out and it kind of widened. In the fisheye perspective, we actually see more information of the peripherals, which makes it useful in multi-perspective drawing and painting.
I use my ruler to lay some perspective lines going into the vanishing point, and I use convex perpendicular lines for fisheye.
From there I start making boxes to define the space. I'm just making some three-dimensional boxes that I'm drawing out, and they're overlapping each other, so there is some foreshortening as they go around that curve.
Now this is just a simple box that I'm drawing, but the vertical lines that I have going in each one of these boxes is adhering to that fisheye perspective by being rotated out. And to guesstimate where things are going to be, I'm extending out those vertical lines to match up with other parts. With a square that I turned one face into an octagon and then applied that for the side and bottom. Then I made another octagon within that and put a plane on one side to give it the illusion of three-dimensionality.
I start making these skewed oval arcs that contrast against all the blocks. After I was done drawing, I sprayed it with fixative, and then I did a light glaze over the whole canvas of dioxazine purple. Then I used Payne's gray for my darks and white for my lights, and I had full three-dimensionality. I then did semi-transparent spray paints over the whole thing, starting first with the cool blue and green colors, then working my way out with magenta, and then orange on the outside of the canvas. The third step of this painting, I used oil paint over the acrylics and spray paint. That was for the lights that I'm going to be popping on top of the shadows. Alright guys, thanks for watching this. If you liked it, click like and subscribe. Also, I got the full video down in the comments. Until next time, enjoy painting and have fun out there.